Hello, this is another updated tutorial showing you how to access one of our databases on the new website. This database is called Hoopla. In the other video for this, I showed you how to access it, as well as creating an account and searching for things like movies, comic books, manga, ebooks, audiobooks, TV shows, as well as other things. So to find it on the new website, it's a very similar setup to the old one, but I'll go through the whole thing for anyone who has not seen the first tutorial. So let's go under resources, and that is where you can find all of our databases. Hoopla is the first one listed. So I can click on the link or the icon and get started. Now, if this is your first time using Hoopla, you will be prompted to create an account. All you'll need is a library card and an email address. So let's get started. First, you'll type in an email address. Then you'll confirm that email address. After that, you'll set a password. And then you'll confirm that password and click agree. Now under choose your library, you'll notice that Foxburg Free Library is not selectable. Instead, you'll click on our partner library, Clarion Free Library. Clarion Free Library and Foxburg Free Library both belong to the Clarion County Library System. That means we share many of the same databases, including this one. So next, I'll hit next. Under library card, I'll pull up my library card and type in the number on the front. And then under PIN, you can type in the last 4 digits of your library card number once again. Now let's say I already have an account. I'm just ready to log in. So back on the main Hoopla page, I can just use this email and password bar at the top. Now, starting out in Hoopla, if I have a specific title in mind, I can search on the search bar. I can also narrow that search bar to different formats, such as audiobook, movie, music, comic book, ebook, or TV show. I can even look by specific authors or people involved, category, publisher, or series. If I want to look for kids things only, I can select the kids icon right here. A check mark will pop up, and that will tell me that everything I look at now will be kid friendly. If I click the kids icon again, that check mark disappears and that function is turned off. For now, let's do a general search under everything. Even after a general search, I can narrow it down. I can change the format to what's available. I can look at user ratings, which will tell me what users have thought about different items. Release date and date added show how recently something has come out. I can change the language, and I can once again look at children's titles only. Now let's say I don't have a specific title in mind. Instead, I just want to browse for something new. So let's go under Browse, and then I can select a format. So let's say I want to look at comic books. Now under comic books, I can see different categories. I can choose a category to see which ones I like best. For now, let's go under superhero. After that, I can look for a specific comic book. Let's say I found one that I like. So I can click on that, and then I can see more about it. I can see the author, illustrator, as well as a summary. There's also a number of pages given as well as the publisher. If I really want to borrow it, I can do that right now. Clicking on borrow will let me borrow the title and tell me how long I have to borrow it. This one is out for 21 days or 3 weeks. After that time period, it will automatically be returned. So let's click borrow title. Now I'm ready to read it. Just click read, and then it will load your comic book in the player. So this ebook player will let me scroll through and read the book exactly like I would in any ebook player. But for now, let's go back and look at some other things. Under my Hoopla, I can see my account information. For example, I can look at what I have currently borrowed, and if I wanted to, I can open one of those up and read it as long as I still have it. If I want to return it early, I can do that right now. I can also look at my favorites. If I have anything favorited, I can look at my history as well to see what I've gotten out in the past. So that is a crash course in using Hoopla and how to access it from our new website. Thanks so much for watching.